welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. Videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share something, y'all, to see what I got to share. Y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this here special unboxing. I got a little something from Louis Vuitton. Got this little thing from Louis Vuitton. I didn't do no research, I didn't watch any videos, so this here is a blind buy. So with that being said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. I did peek in it and I don't know, I have mixed thoughts, y'all, but I'm gonna show you anyway, because that's what I do here on this channel. Regardless if I keep it or not, I still want to share what I bought. So here is the packaging. Now I did order this before Christmas, so I thought I was going to get that special Christmas packaging. So that kind of like, when I opened the box, I was a little disappointed, because I'm like, okay, why didn't I get Christmas packaging? You know, it's still Christmas. Like, because when I ordered this, it was a week before Christmas. So the bag, and of course, as you know, it's something small. And like I said, anytime I place an order online, I always write something to myself. This here is the receipt. So what did I write this time? Did they put it in here? Oh yeah, I just wrote Merry Christmas. So here in the envelope is your return label and everything like that. So like I said, I did open it. You did get the Christmas wrapping. I mean, you did get the Christmas bow ribbon, but of course I wanted the actual packaging, the bag and everything. Is the box. And this is new, y'all. I was just on there the other day and I saw this and I was like, ooh, let me order this and see if this is what I need. So here is the small dust bag. So I ordered the what is this? I think this is something Karigami. So if you don't know, I did have the complete Karigami set and I did sell it. The item I saw I was using the most was this particular one, and the middle one I was using a little bit. The big one I didn't use at all, and I just felt like, why keep something if you're not going to utilize every piece of it? So when I saw this, I was like, okay, you know, because I did like this by itself and I didn't want to break the set down to sell it, like just sell the two pieces and just keep one. So I just sold the whole set. So here is this little cutie, and not only do you get the little cute case, you also get this little card holder. This was an actual like card holder size, but as you can see, it's a little short. I'm not sure the dimensions, but I don't know. Here's the number, just in case y'all want to look it up. They do come in other colors. This here, oh, okay, this is Louis Vuitton, made in Italy. I don't know if I have anything made in Italy, but this is where this little item came from. The beautiful fuchsia pink. I think it's the same color as my Neverfull. Now, like I said, I did enjoy this small piece with the Karigami. This is the one I was using the most. So when I saw that you can buy it by itself, and the price was right, y'all. Like, the price was right. So I was like, let me go ahead and order this. I didn't want to go to the Louis Vuitton store to look at it. I was just like, let me buy it. And since it's before Christmas, the return policy, I think you have until January, the end of January. So, but of course I'm gonna make up my mind before then, so I don't have to hold on to the piece. Like I said, you do get two pieces, and when I tell you the price for these two pieces, I was blown away. I was like, oh my gosh, like, is this real? Louis Vuitton, you know what I'm talking about. So right now I'm using my Chanel card case. So I'm gonna just pull out some cards just to show you what can fit in here. Now, this here is the size of a credit card. So as you can see, let me show you a different one, because I don't know if somebody can scan my driver's license or something through the phone. through the camera or whatever. See, this here is the size of a credit card. The reason I didn't think it would fit your cards the way it do, but as you can see, the cards fits perfectly in here. So as of right now, we just have the one. So I'm gonna try and put, all right, I have 2 so far. I have a total of 3. You can put 1 more. Let's try 1 more. All right, so you have a total of 1, hold on, let me see, 2, 3. So I have a total of 4 cards in here. So yeah, I have a total of 4 cards in this little cutie, and they in here really nice and tight, so you don't have to worry about your card sliding out, just in case you want to just carry this and put other things in here. So again, I have 4 cards in here. Now my driver's license probably can fit. Let me do it upside down. All right, so my driver's license can fit, but it's pushing it. And when I say pushing it, it's a little tight, as you can see. So I'm not sure about my driver's license, but as you can see, it can fit. Now say you want to use this as a little catch-all. Let's see. Let's see what type of lip gloss can fit in here. I don't know. So it might be something little like this can fit in here. Like the Sephora collection lip glosses, they can fit in here perfectly. And it closes like so. So just in case you want to use this just for your cards and you want to carry like your little essentials in here, you can carry them in here. Let me see if my key fob will fit in here. I don't think it will, but let's see. So I have my car key fob. So let's see if that can fit in here. I had the 2 Sephora collection lip glosses and this here little mini lip gloss. So here is my key fob, and as you can see, it's a little bulky because of the fact that I have the case on here. Now if I was to take this here ring off, it will close. Okay, hold on y'all, hold on. All right, so it fits, y'all. So it fits perfectly in here. Now with me having a key fob, I wouldn't have to take my key fob in and out of this here pouch, because like I said, long as it's on my body, my car will open, lock, start, and everything. But I would have to keep this like inside my purse, lunch bag, or pocket or whatever in order for my car to start. So I will say, if you have a key fob, it do fit in here perfectly. Now if I did decide to put my key fob in here, I probably would take this here off, because eventually probably leave an indentation in here. So I don't know if you can see that. So I probably would take this off if I decided to carry my key fob in here, but I don't think I will, because y'all already know I have this here pouch for my key fob. Oh, and really quick, I was about to say the pink is almost the same color, but this one is a little lighter than this here pink. So let's see what else. Now, if you wanted to carry this, if you wanted to use this as a card case, I have a whole bunch of cards in the inside of here. So let's just put this in here and the card case, and let's see. All right. So as you can see, with 5+ cards, you cannot put both in here. So let me see. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. All right. So you can. So let me take that back. With 5+ cards, you can put the card case and your extra cards in here. It is a little tight closing, but nothing is falling out. It's not disturbing the shape of the pouch or anything like that. If I didn't mention, the little button on here is silver, it's not gold. I would have preferred gold, but it's silver. I'm not sure if you had the option to pick gold over silver. I didn't even look. I didn't even pay that any attention. Like I said, this was a blind buy, so just keep that in mind. You can put, let me let you know how many cards I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 cards in here plus the card case. Now the card case will have to go in the back in order for it to fit in here. So I don't have my driver's license, but I can slide that in here somehow. Yeah, so I was able to slide my driver's license in the back. In the state of Georgia, you can actually put your driver's license on your phone. So that's probably something I would look to do sometime soon, so I don't have to worry about carrying my actual driver's license on me. So probably starting up the new year, that's something I'm gonna look into doing, because it like prompts you to do everything on your phone. So yeah, y'all, here's this little cutie. Like I said, when I had the Karigami, the only piece that I was utilizing was this here small case. So when I saw this along with the little pouch, the little card case, I was like, order, put in cart, order, let's get it. Because I was just like, okay, this is too cute. So yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know, y'all, I'm not sure. Because y'all know I do want the Chanel card case. Now if I do keep this, I'm still going to get the Chanel card case, but I just want to make sure I'll be able to use both, because I do have my other card case. I don't know where did I put that, but I have another card case where I have like extra spare cards that I like to keep close by. So I was looking to probably put them in here, and this one is where I keep my most used cards at. But y'all, I do need to maybe put this up for a little while, because like I said, I don't want it to really look real bad, because I don't know if you can see in the corners, it is starting to show wear. It is starting to show a little wear and tear, but it's not that bad. But I don't want to continue to wear it. Like, I want to be able to give it a rest. I was looking to purchase the Chanel card case, because I really love this here Chanel card case. This here is a little different for me, so I'm just trying to figure out, I don't know if I want to keep it or not. So yeah, if y'all purchase this, let me know your thoughts on this here little cutie. It is cute, y'all, and it's worth the money. It's like really nice. Like, I was surprised. I was like, oop, I'm ordering that, because I was just like, it's not breaking the bank. Like, if you're in a luxury, you understand what I'm saying. Like, a regular person to say that's still too much. But y'all Louis Vuitton lovers, y'all get what I'm saying when I say it's not breaking the bank. Because y'all, I ain't gonna lie, a lot of these Louis Vuitton prices is so outrageous to the point where I'm like, okay, Louis Vuitton, what's up? Like, what's good? Like, what y'all doing? You know, like, even with the canvas items, the stuff that's not even leather. And I'm like, can y'all calm down with the prices, y'all? So, and here is the pouch empty. So, say you just want to just put whatever cards in here and that's it. You can close it. And you also have a little room for more things in the inside. Now, when you put stuff in here, you can't put like a product in here. I wouldn't recommend, because... yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting a product and the card case in here, because that would be way too much. But you can utilize this by itself and then put your little essentials in here. It fits 3 lip products nicely in the inside. And so here is the back part. It's just like a small cute little envelope. Like, if y'all wanted the Karigami and you didn't want all 3 pieces and you just wanted the little piece like myself, this here I would highly recommend, because like I said, the price is really, really nice for these here 2 pieces. Because what sold me was the fact that you not only got this, you also got a second piece for a good price. So I say, what, like 100 and something for each piece. And y'all know Louis Vuitton prices. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to get on here and share my newest purchase from Louis Vuitton. Stumbled across that the other day. I wasn't even looking for that particular item. I have been looking at some Speedies, because I've been wanting a Speedy 20 or 25. But right now, it's not in the budget. But when I saw this, I was like, ooh, she cute. This could be a to me from me Christmas gift. So I'm still up in the air, not sure what I'm going to do. But of course, I will let y'all know if I decide to keep her. And if I don't, of course, I will update you all with that as well. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here unboxing, y'all know what y'all need to do. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I will talk to y'all in the next video.